To estimate the cost of gutter installation in your Boise, Idaho, home, you should first calculate the cost per linear foot. This price represents the labor cost, materials, and initial warranty of the installation project. The cost may increase further if you need additional materials or accessories, such as guards or underground drainage for spouts. Then you should factor in any other additional charges, such as the price of installation. You can find different replacement prices by selecting the material and color that will complement your home. Aluminum is lightweight, but it will cost you more per linear foot. Aluminum is more expensive than other materials, so you'll need to check with your WA before deciding on the color and material. Choosing a professional installer is highly recommended if you are inexperienced in this task. While installing yourself is possible, it's not recommended, as doing so on your own can result in dangerous and costly mistakes. The installation costs are worth it, however, when you consider the long-term benefits. Not only protect your foundation, and protect your home's roof from water damage, but they will also save you money in the long run.